Here I am here to conduct a short talk on revolution is in the healthcare, the microelectronic pills, journey from concept to the reality. So hello everyone, my name is Anurag. I am from CP15. I am from M2S section and the center Belur DTC. So first of all, I will discuss about the introduction of the microelectronic pill and the construction, schematic view, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the microelectronic pill, and what are the potential applications that we can use use in the daily life, and what are the limitations of microelectronic pill, and finally I'm going to conclude my topic, the microelectronic pill. So let us discuss about the microelectronic pill. So you have heard about the microelectronic pill. It is like a normal pill, but it is has some electronic circuits in the electronic pill, and it is basically a multi-channel sensor used for the biomedical measurements through a micro or nanotechnologies. It has been developed because to detection of the diseases that can detect the problems of the abnormalities in our body, and it is very useful because in the endoscopic surgery we cannot detect about more about the human body organs. So it is helpful for where we can where we can detect the problems where in the restricted areas. So basically it is a small device that can be swallowed like a normal pill. It collects some data within a body and transmit it to the receiver. So the next is the construction and the working. So here you can see the construction. The first part is the optical dome, and the second part is the lens holder, and the third one is the lens, and the fourth one is the illuminating LED, and the fifth one is the battery, and sixth one is the antenna. So optical dome, it is a front part. It is a front part. It is look like the bullet shape. It helps for the filtration of the digestive fluids, and the second one is the lens holder. It accommodates the LED, and with the help of dislocation of the lens. And the third one is the lens. It is the integral component of the pill camera, and illuminating LED is useful for to detect the problems in the body structure. And the battery it used to charge up the pill, and basically silver oxide primary batteries are used because it can be used for only one time. So the next one is the antenna. It transmits the data from transmitter to the data receiver. So here you can see the first part, the optical dome, lens holder, L lens, illuminating LED, batteries, and the antenna. So, so microelectronic is basically ingestible medical device that encrypts the microelectronics to monitor and transmit the physiological data from within the body. Once it is digested, sensors collects the vital signs for specific health makers. So the integrated electronic process the information from wirelessly to the transmitted to the real-time problems, and it has been developed to the professionals, and it is a non-invasive nature and ability to provide the valuable insights and make the microelectronic pill significant advancement in the medical diagnostics and the patient's care technologies. So here you can see the analytical photo where when a person needs a microelectronic pill, so camera pill with the transmitter, it transmits the data within a body and collect and it gives to that receiver's device. So where the laptop or computer monitoring the devices for patients data processing. It can be done in the within the 1 meter. So here you can see the schematic view of the microelectronic pill, the access channel, the sensor chips, the PCB chip carrier, and the transmitter, connector, and the batteries. So, now what are the advantages of this microelectronic pill? Because it has no side effects, and it is a highly sensitive, and it gives high productive, and it is like a simple procedure. So it can be accurate within the 150 degrees, and it can be used more time, and it having the long life shells, approx 40 hours. So So now, what are the potential applications that can be used in this in our daily life? First of all, it is measures the dissolved oxygen, and it helps in the determination of the internal bodies or diseases, and it helps for the detection of the pH in the body, and it is used in the diagnosis healthcare. So the disadvantages of this microelectronic pill is it is not available in many countries, and it is very expensive. Can't afford by any person or a poor person. It cannot perform the radiations in the abnormalities with the cancer. It can detect the small problems so that where we can't see the problems in our body. So the final conclusion of this microelectronic pill is it is a very useful device. It plays a significant role in the medical technologies, and it is very useful rather than the endoscopic, because it has a potential for use in a wide range of patients with a variety of illnesses. So thank you.